Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna check out a very cool keyboard. So this is the Happy Hacking Keyboard Professional 2. So want to know more? What are you waiting for? Let's get tinkering. So what to expect with HHKB Professional 2? Let's take a look at the box. So as you can see, it has 3-level tilt operations. So if you don't like fixed height, this one is for you. So it has USB hub. So 2 specifically. So instead of using a separate USB expansion hub for your other devices, you have 2 USB hubs, which is great. So it has Unix key layout. So a small footprint because this is a 60% keyboard. Oh, a PC or Mac compatibility. So whatever you're using, whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac PC, this is good for you. So no problem with the compatibility. So it has customizable function. So it has dip switch, so just like the Daki keyboard. So that's great. So what are we waiting for? Let's open it up. My friend let me borrow this keyboard so that I could check it out for you. So as you can see, it uses mini USB. So this is the dip switch, the mini USB interface, so that you could connect it to your computer. So this is a wired keyboard. So these are the USB hubs, and you can adjust the height. See model number, part number, with the dip switch settings there. So what makes this keyboard special? Well, this keyboard uses Topre switch. So as far as I could remember, it uses rubber dome, then this sliders there. So it's like a membrane keyboard. Let's put that back. So take a look at the keycaps. Instead of putting the secondary layer function in the top of the keycap, they put it in the side of the keycaps, giving it a cleaner look, which is great because we don't want the prints in our keycaps being overcrowded. So this keyboard is full plastic. So even the plate, is plastic. There. So having a plastic plate gives it a more consistent feel. So whether you are typing here or here or anywhere in the keyboard, it has a consistent feel, signature. So wherever you are typing, so another one is that this 2U pickups doesn't have stubs. So I'm amazed how they did it, because even my membrane keyboard has a wire on it. Let's test it out.